you have been telling us Pure Land. You have been telling us about the Pure Land there, but what is a Pure Land and where is it?
The Pure Land is a peaceful Buddha land where there is no suffering. The Pure Land is full of truth, good, beauty, and Amida's light. Many bodhisattvas and pure practitioners are there. According to the sutras, the Pure Land is in the far west, as many as 10 trillion Buddha lands away. It is not that when astrophysics progresses, the Pure Land will be found someday, but that it is important for us to lead a religious life with such religious and psychological orientation with the idea that Amida and the Pure Land really exist in the West, not just symbols. That's my understanding.